Hello world, my name is Mohammad-agus. I'm from Gorontalo, Indonesia, and this is my CS50 Python final project called Shipment Vehicle Routing Program. So I'm gonna run the program. So the program, after we run it, the program will be prompt to the user to enter the CSV file. So for this example, I'm going to use two vehicle with a vehicle one capacity is 100 unit. The vehicle will be scheduled to begin the shipment at, let's say, so the 1st June of 2024 at 30, and will end at this on the same day at 10:30. So for the vehicle 2, I'm going to use 85 unit. For beginning time, I'm going to use same day but different time, let's say 9:30, and will be end at this on the same day at 12:30. So this is the result, the summary. So there are two generated routes, route 1 and route 2, and one unassigned job, which is for this example is 0.6. So in the project directory, there are an HTML file was generated called route map. This HTML file is visualize the route that the program generated. So this is the starting point, the end point, and this is one unassigned job. So this is my CS50 Python final project, and thank you for watching.